Feeling electric. Understanding a vibrant English expression. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into an exciting and vibrant phrase that you might have heard in songs, movies, or everyday conversation: feel electric. We'll explore what it means, how to use it, and some examples to help you grasp it fully. Let's electrify our language skills together. Feel electric is a figurative expression used to describe a feeling of immense excitement, energy, or exhilaration. It's like an electric current of enthusiasm running through you. This phrase is often used when someone is extremely happy, inspired, or feeling a rush of positive energy. It's all about that spark of joy or excitement that makes you feel alive. Understanding how to use feel electric in everyday language is key. It's mostly used in informal settings, like casual conversations, social media, or creative writing. For example, when I heard my favorite song, I felt electric. The atmosphere at the concert was so vibrant. Everyone there felt electric. Notice how the phrase adds a dynamic and vivid quality to the sentences, emphasizing the high energy and excitement. English is rich with expressions that convey excitement. Here are a few similar ones. On cloud nine, extremely happy or euphoric. Over the moon, very pleased or delighted. Buzzing, full of excitement and energy. Understanding these can help you enrich your vocabulary and express your feelings more vividly. That's all for today's lesson on Feel Electric. I hope you found it energizing and useful for your English language journey. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about capturing feelings and experiences. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be able to express your emotions in English as vividly as in your native tongue. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.